So imagine this. Imagine this. Okay. You're down here. All right. Let's take this back a notch. You're down here. You're the PC. Yeah. What they're not telling you here, this is a different network. It has to be. It has to be a different network. Because it'll tell you if this is an SVI, which it is, okay? If this is an SVI here, okay? Because that's the way you can put an IP address on there, you can put it on the VNet, okay? Unless you're using a router port, right? But you put it under the VNet. This is another network. This is another network, and this is another network. So where are you going to configure HSRP down here? Does that make sense to you? No. Let's say you do it up here, right? That's where they have it, up here. Okay. Well, if this is another network, these 2 points right here, if you're doing it under the ether channel, okay, so under the ether channel, I configure a standby. What VIP are you going to use? It has to be part of this network, but you're not part of that network. Are you saying the writing protocol is going to route you up there? No. Okay, so these are the things that you need to understand. Is about getting the entire information. All right, so labbing is the way to go. So Cisco wants us to turn to this. Not everybody is turning to this. All right, I mean, it takes time. We've configured. We're using layer 2 ether channel. We have already our HSRPs down here closest to the user, what have you. But because of the redundancy, let's think about this. And I'll come here and I'll move this over. Think about this. And I'm just going to cheat, right? Just to make things go quicker. Now, let's go here. So think of this, we'll label them. Up here, we'll say dist hyphen spine. Right? And these right here is access hyphen leaf. Okay? And then I'm just gonna lightning bullet. Wow, does that even work? Okay. All right. You get the picture of what I'm doing. You have so much redundancy that you really, if all those lines go down, then you have a bigger issue than a redundancy protocol. Look what's going on here. Look what's going on here. Seriously? You have 3 links to 3 different switches. Okay. If you're going to, and look, let me fast forward through time.